You're coming with me. I'm your dad. Peanut butter.
I like peanut butter. Or Reese's.
Reese's. Oh, yeah. Sneeze. God bless you. Because it's like, you're so cute. Okay, I think you're going to think this one's the cutest. Here. Yeah, this is a girl. She kind of like gives me like Bambi vibes, like almost like
This
a
is gonna
deer.
be one of those ones where she'll be a little less fluffy than these ones, and like, but this is gonna be like a beast like breed with like this is what's gonna give you like crazy outcomes. Yeah,
Bro, this is gonna be so funny with them on the jet.
I'm running away.